In this video, I'm going to be going over 3 dividend stocks that yield you over 5%. That way you can get a good amount of income on your money. Now, I don't own any of these stocks myself. I'm all ETFs, but I know many of these stocks are popular among dividend investors, especially those that want high income. So I'm going to give you a bit of a high-level overview on their business operations, their dividend growth, and also their dividend yield. So first up on this list is the dividend stock Realty Income Corporation, and this is an extremely popular dividend stock among dividend investors. This operates as a real estate investment trust, and basically founded in 1969, the company invests in diversified commercial real estate and have a portfolio of about 15,450 properties, not only in the United States, but also in the United Kingdom and 6 other countries in Europe. So you're getting a very diversified amount of real estate and also diversified across geography and also a large number of properties to pay you that dividend. This is just a generalized overview of the geography that this company operates in. As you can see, it operates in every single state in the United States and also multiple other countries throughout Europe. You have the United Kingdom, France, Germany, Spain, Portugal, and Italy. So again, very diversified among geographies. And as far as the real estate diversification goes, there's a large number of people that are concerned about the real estate industry because many stocks and ETFs focus on commercial real estate that are basically commercial office space, and they don't really enjoy that due to the variability in economic factors. There are a lot of commercial real estate properties that have shut down over the past years, but this portfolio, you don't see that in. You have Dollar General, Walgreens, Dollar Tree, 7-Eleven, and EG Limited Group. So you definitely do see a large amount of retail space with a large number of customers coming in all the time. And this really is diversified across many different companies in itself that they get rent payments every single month. So this is the top 20 list. And if you want to see this more, just pause the video and take a closer look. But great industry diversification, great diversification among geography, and great diversification among companies too. A little bit about the company name. The company name is Realty Income Corporation, but it has the moniker of the monthly dividend company. So as you could expect, this company is truly devoted to paying its investors dividends. Now, along with the dividend, the current dividend yield is 5.07%, and this stock is a stock that pays monthly. So every single month you are going to be getting a dividend payment, which kind of operates the same as a rent payment. So it's great for income investors that are looking for a steady monthly paycheck. And because it is the monthly dividend company, this company is also devoted to growing its dividend over time. Now, this dividend does grow somewhat slowly, but as you can see, it does have a great track record of growing over time. So every year you are going to be getting paid more and more and more. Just think of it again as rent. Rent always goes up, unfortunately, but investing into this stock, you are a landlord. So you are basically driving the rent payments there. Next up on the list is Main Street Capital Corporation with the ticker symbol of MAIN. Now, this company is devoted to basically providing financing and other options in the financing space to a variety of businesses throughout the country. Now, this company mainly gives these options to middle-sized companies, so you're really not going to see any at all large companies that this company is helping out with these financing options. So basically their base is anywhere between something like 10 and 200 million in revenue per year. So here you can see a large number of companies that this company helps with financing options or different equity solutions. So as you could see, many of these companies you probably don't know of, and that is because they're mid-sized businesses. And I don't mean mid-cap companies because that's different. Those are companies with assets between 2 and 10 billion. These are mid-sized businesses in regard to their revenue. So again, these companies will generally have a yearly revenue between 10 and 200 million dollars. And like Realty Income, this company is very diversified as well. It operates across the entire United States, and it also provides these services to a variety of industries. So in case one industry isn't performing well, you always have another industry to fall back on. And this company also is devoted to increasing its dividends and paying dividends over time. It actually has that as its top investment objective. So it does current income and provides investors with that as dividend income. All around great company. A lot of investors buy into it. This company has a bit of a higher dividend yield than Realty Income, coming in at 5.83%. And this stock also pays a monthly dividend. So in case you want that monthly paycheck, this is another great company where you can get that with. As far as dividend growth goes, you have to really be careful because this company is not as good of a dividend grower as Realty Income Corporation. This stock has a relatively volatile dividend overall, and you can see that it jumps back and forth between different levels of dividends all the time based on the market conditions that we are currently in at the time. So just be thoughtful there. You're investing in this stock for the higher dividend yield, not necessarily the dividend growth over time. Last up on this list is Altria, ticker symbol MO. This operates as a tobacco company, but it goes a little bit beyond that. It operates in the nicotine space. So it's not only things like cigarettes, but it also produces and distributes vaporizers as well. So of course, this is a great stock, the income as well. And as you can see up on the investor presentation, it says that between 2019 and 2023, it paid out $32 billion in dividends. So another company really devoted to that huge dividend payment. A little bit about the business itself as far as operations goes. So these are some of the brands that this owns. You could see that it definitely does that combustible tobacco, things like Marlboro, Black & Milds, and a variety of other cigarette brands. But it also operates in the smoke-free tobacco space with things like Copenhagen, On, Enjoy, and other heated tobacco stick products, pretty much known as vaporizers. And because we want investors on this channel to make informed decisions, the important thing to know is that the revenue of this company has been dropping. Since 2001, it has dropped year over year into 2023. But you can see that the annual dividends per share did increase as well. Now that is kind of dangerous because if not enough revenue is coming in, then this company may struggle to pay out that dividend. On the other side too, there's other industries that this company can invest in. Think of industries that are becoming legalized throughout the United States. I'm sure you can get an idea to a huge untapped market that this company, with all of its resources, can get started into. And this company does pay a relatively large dividend yield of 8.16%. So that is really for the income investors, of course. Unlike the other two stocks, this does pay quarterly, so instead of every month of getting a dividend, you're going to be getting one every 3 months. The good thing about this stock is that it has been growing its dividend pretty well for the most part over time. And you'd be kind of surprised because this is also a relatively high dividend yielding stock. So you wouldn't expect that, but at the same time, this company really is geared to those dividend investors that want that high income. Please remember, if you did enjoy this content, leave this video a like to get this out there to a wider audience. It would be greatly appreciated. And if you like this content, subscribe for future content. I made this video because I do spend a lot of time speaking about ETF, which is of course the only thing that I invest in, but it's important to give some other options out there for stocks as well, because I know a lot of income investors aren't just about ETFs. They want to know about higher yielding stocks as well. So I thought I'd give you a brief overview of these companies. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.